to another episode. But today we're going to be something different. Today we're going to be doing this. Yeah, guys, it is Pokemon trading card game, Platinum. And we're going to be doing some looking. We're not going to be doing opening or anything. We're just going to be looking. But I know this isn't like a vlog or anything. I know this isn't a vlog or anything, or a, just like Minecraft, for instance. I'm gonna be doing that maybe tomorrow or Tuesday. So yeah, let me just, give me a second. Okay, right, so, this is what I've been collecting in my past few years. So, look, this is you may not be able to see this very well. This is a Shaman, and its power are energy blow, and yeah, so that's the card. And that's a Leafeon, sick card. Let's get these cards out, because you can't really see them very well. Shit, no, that's the one behind. Yeah, god damn it. I'm looking on my phone to see how well I'm doing, and I'm not doing very well, guys. That's a Torterra. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that anymore. That's a Paris, a Turtwig, very cute indeed, a Dragonair, what is this, Rosade, and my favorite out of this, thing is Venusaur. And then we move on to the next page. It's Carnivine, Lillipe, I didn't think, Leap, I don't know, Wooper, Oddish, Combi, Masquerain, I don't know that one, Ekans, and Golbat. Next page, guys. This is an energy for the cards. You might not be able to see this very well, but there is an imprint. Hold on. This is an imprint of someone's signature, and this is a very rare card, guys. There is tons of them, but if you have a signature, this is very rare. You could sell that for about £5, maybe $10 in the US. I don't know. Piplup, yeah, that's a very cute one as well. Glaceon, one of the evolutions. You may know this if you're a Pokemon master. Empoleon, sick card as well. Mudkip as well, very cute. Gardevoir, Mega Evolution, comes out on X and Y. Swampert, also Mega Evolution. Feebas, I don't know if that's a normal fish, I don't know. Oh, guys, this is one of my favorite, ultimate favorites, is Deoxys. He's a legendary. He is also shiny. You may not be able to see this because on camera, but he is epic, super epic. He's a legendary. Okay, guys. Okay, Poliwag, Poliwhirl, and Poliwrath, all evolutions of the Poliwrath evolutions. Miloetic, the evolved form of Feebas, yes. Bagon, Asmriel, Piplup, Spiritomb, Espeon, Roserade, Cresselia, yep, Skorupi, and that's on a different page. Gardevoir anyway, Krogunk, Skorupi again, and Deoxys again. I don't know why I have two on the same page. Okay, that was the real page. Because they are see-through guys. So, a Smeargle, a Sableye, a Chingling, a Miss Magius, Mime Jr. Another legendary, guys, is Mewtwo. Very cool. This is the old version. So yeah, Solrock, another Spiritomb, Guys, this is another energy. It's not the very like the one that you can sell for a lot, but it's a fighting energy, I think. This is a Torchic, Combuskin, Blaziken, all lines of the Blaziken family. Markago, Camerupt, Smoochum, Jinx, Arcanine, Vulpix, Slugma, Flareon, Charmander, Mankey, Diglett. Okay guys, this is another energy, very rare of course, because it is all of the energies together. Skarmory, FB, I still don't know what FB means guys, I'll put it in the description below when I find out, but for now I don't know what it means. So Staravia, Apom and Ambipom are in the same like family. So another Staravia, Bunary, Bibarel. Sorry guys, I'm not very good with names. If you haven't already noticed. Skitty, Meowth, a Dratini, Beldum, a Skizzer, or Scissor, however you want to pronounce it, a Swallow, Kangaskhan, a Dunsparce, Dugtrio, Sandshrew, Fluffy, Gabite, Glameow, Starly, Gibble, Bibarel again, and Bunary, sorry. Armaldo, Nursepass, Tyrogue, Onyx, Larvitar, Pupitar, Rhyhorn, Kabuto, Electrive, Mantike, Fluffy again, Magnemite, Shinx, Plusle, Zapdos is also legendary, guys. He is one of the birds. He's an electric type. Look him up if you don't know who I'm talking about. But yeah, another Magnemite. Oh, guys, the beast. Electrive FBX. This is one of the. He is a trainer. Well, he is I can't remember their names. He's a gym leader's person. But he is an X, guys, so this is very rare. So the next page. So we got another Rhyhorn, a Mantrike, a Supporter. Read that if you can, but you might have to pause the episode. So yeah. We got another Water Energy, guys. A Carvanha, a Squirtle, Goldeen, a Seaking, Love Disc, Tentacle, Wooper, and Barbuck. So yeah guys, that's the other page. And this, guys, is where it gets good. Scyther EX, Dark Celebi, that's a legendary, guys. Raikou, another legendary. Typhlosion EX, that's just a starter Pokemon, guys, this one. A Sincoon EX, that's a legendary EX, guys, that is amazing. Kyogre, another legendary. Probopass, Sharpedo, that's a very good card as well, guys. A Swampert, a Champion Stadium, a Dark Magneton, Umbreon, Kyogre, that's a legendary, guys. Rayquaza, another legendary. And Groudon, another legendary. Damn, Daniel. Dark Raticate. Yeah, OP. And it's Team Rockets. You probably can't see that as well, guys, because of the friggin' video camera, I don't know. But it's EX Team Rocket Returns. That's a video. Go search it up on YouTube or something. I don't really care. Houndour, very cool Pokemon. Houndour. The trainer is a Super Scoop Up. You can flip a coin, If heads, return one of your Pokemon and all cards attached to it to your hand. I don't really I'm not going to read them all out because it'll take forever, guys. It'll be a 10-hour episode. So that's a Wobbuffet, another Umbreon, Tyranitar, a Poochyena, Nidorina, Murkrow, Honchkrow, Palkia, that's a legendary, guys. Dark Houndoom, Dark Pupitar, Aggron, Aggron, sick. Dark Marowak, sick as well. Dialga, legendary, boys. Gengar, another sick Pokemon, but it's not a legendary. This is a legendary. This is Regice. Oh, wait, that's Gengar, by the way. If I didn't say that, but I'm pretty sure I did. That's Regice, guys. And that is EX Holland Phantoms. There is 3 of these. I only have 1 at the moment. But yeah. Garchomp X. Sick card again. So that's Garchomp X. Wailord. Huge whale, boys. Dark Steelix. I can't read that. That is a Alphliton, I don't know. That's a rare candy. Energy again, one of those. Shelder. This is in Chinese, but I already know this. It's Palkia. It's also a legendary. Dark Dragonite. Another one of those energies. It's different, but it's really good. Salamence, sick Pokemon. And the final one, Dark Dragonair. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this episode now because it's getting a bit long, but bye. See you soon. Hope you leave a like or subscribe. So, see you, bye.